Boardcasting, or whiteboarding, is the technique of recording instructional content similar to what you might present writing on the whiteboard in the classroom. It's especially useful in math and science education, though applicable in all disciplines, and can be carried out in a number of ways. Often these techniques involve the use of a document camera. Document cameras are usually quite expensive items and may not be readily available. So we looked here for an option that would provide us with the same capability. What you see here is a combination of near no tech, no cost, along with an incredible piece of high tech that you probably already have in your pocket. Behold the improvised smartphone document camera. What you see here is a seriously improvised mount for a smartphone, consisting of a platform of some height, a heavy object, paperweight, or in this case a pencil sharpener, a ruler, and a rubber band. This serves to hold the smartphone in the appropriate orientation to allow recording of what you write on a piece of paper underneath the phone, along with your narration. The video camera in the smartphone is easily the equal of many relatively inexpensive document cameras, and is again something that most any of us are likely to have on hand.
You can use this ridiculous-looking but quite functional apparatus in a live Zoom meeting by just joining your meeting from the smartphone using the free Zoom app. If you're simultaneously connected to your Zoom meeting through a computer or other mobile device in the same room, be sure to mute the microphone and speakers on that device to prevent audio feedback. You can also create standalone broadcasts by recording the video and audio in your smartphone's camera app and loading the video to YouTube via the phone's YouTube app after you've finished the recording.
Here's an example of a broadcast created using this very setup.
Okay, here we have our smartphone document camera, which should allow us to do broadcasting. For instance, if I have an equation, 2x squared plus 5 equal 19, I should be able to simplify that equation by first off moving the 5 to the other side, subtracting 5 from both sides of the equation. 2x squared plus 5 minus 5 equals 19 minus 5, which would be 14, right? We'll hope. So 2x squared equals 14. When we knock out the 5's here, and that would be, if I divide both sides of the equation by 2, I should get 2's canceling there, x squared equals 14 divided by 2 being 7. So if I then take the square root of both sides of the equation, x is going to be equal to the square root of 7, which is, except that my calculator is taking the picture. Holy moly, whatever the square root of 7 is, something on the order of 2.5 or thereabouts. We're just going to have to leave it there, but I think that makes the point.